today's topic, we would be talking about cooking. Cooking can be defined as the preparation of food to bring about both physical and chemical changes, such as softening of cellulose in plant tissues. There are different ways of cooking food. Some foods can be cooked by 2 or more cooking methods that give the food a different taste, texture, and appearance. Reasons for cooking food: to make food safe for consumption, to make it soft and easier to swallow for digestion, to make it more attractive or to improve its appearance, to introduce variety into the diet, to preserve food for later use, to derive new flavors and stimulate appetite, to destroy microorganisms that cause spoilage. Methods of heat transfer. Conduction: this is the transfer of heat in solid mediums, for example, heat from a source to cooking pots and pans. Convection: transfer of heat in a liquid medium, example, steaming and boiling. Radiation: transfer of heat in an enclosed medium in an enclosed space, example, grilling and baking. Some foods are cooked by moist heat methods, while others are done by dry heat methods and fat frying methods. Moist cooking includes boiling, stewing, steaming, braising. Boiling. Boiling is the process of cooking food in sufficient water that is heated to boiling point, 100 degrees Celsius. The heat is then reduced, and the cooked food is left to simmer in a covered pan until it is cooked. Types of boiling. Add water to the food so that the stock is strained from the food. Example, boiling yam and plantain. Allow the food to absorb the water used in cooking. Mix the food with water before cooking, as in the preparation of yam flour, corn food, porridge, etc. Stewing. Stewing is cooking food slowly or at low heat in a small quantity of water in a covered pot for a long time. It is commonly used for making soups and stews. Steaming. Steaming is the method of cooking food in the steam from boiling water. There is no direct contact between the food and the boiling water. Braising. Braising is a combination cooking method that uses both wet and dry heats. Typically, the food is first browned at a high temperature, then simmered in a covered pot in cooking liquid, such as wine, broth, coconut milk or beer. Thanks for watching. See you next video.